This Q7 tire inflator is the latest design from 2024, and it comes with a high-efficiency motor that boosts inflation speeds up to 36 L-min, so it takes less than 5 minutes to inflate a 195/65 or 15-car tire from 0 psi to 35 psi. In addition, Q7 air pump accuracy is maintained at 1%. It's the perfect companion for the road. Equipped with a 20,000 mAh capacity, the portable air compressor lasts for 1 to 2 hours of continuous use and can be fully charged in just 3 to 5 hours, and the air pump can be used in 2 ways, either wirelessly or using the car cord to inflate when the battery runs out. This tire inflator portable air compressor features a 3.4-inch easy-to-read LCD screen that displays more detailed values. Endoscope camera with light, high-joy two-way articulation borescope. Struggle no more with rigid scopes. Our high-joy borescope features a 180-degree two-way articulating camera for easy maneuvering. Your inspection journey just got easier. Our borescope features a highly flexible lens with an 8mm diameter, perfect for tight spaces. With a 2-ump camera, 4x zoom, and 8 LED lights for adjustable brightness, you can see clear details even in dark situations. True Color 4.3 IPS screen displays the high-quality images from our second-generation CMOS sensor. No need to download any app. It's suitable for any automotive inspection, engine cylinder, valves, piston, spark plugs, and more. Our IP67 waterproof probe withstands wet conditions and oil applications. Puladiki cleaning gel for car detailing is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheel, console panels, storage bins, cup holders, door handles, dashboards, and other hard-to-reach places. Car slime for cleaning is essential for women and men to clean your car. Easy to use. Push car cleaning gel into little cracks, press car cleaner slime on, and the dust will be carried away. You can also press the car cleaning putty slightly on the keyboard surface and then pull out slowly. The dust will be picked up with the car putty cleaner. Note, don't wash the universal cleaning gel with water. Automotive dust cleaning gel can not only clean car nooks and crannies, but also for home and office use. Cleaning putty for electronics, computer keyboards, laptops, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and furniture. The suitable surface must be water resistant, or the dust removal for the car would stick to it. Noco Boost X GBX 155/4250, a 12 volts ultra-safe portable lithium jump starter, an all-new design with extreme jump-starting power for powerful engine starts. Rated at 4250 amps, this portable lithium car battery jump starter releases maximum energy at every start. This isn't an upgrade, it's a whole new series, the Extreme Series. Turbochargeable Boost X is equipped with USB-C technology that, combined with power delivery, gives you lightning-fast recharges. Completely recharges in just 2.7 hours. Autocar steering wheel tray for vehicle. The steering wheel desk has been custom fit specifically for vehicle accessories. Notes: if you found it slanted when hooking on the steering wheel tray, please turn the steering wheel 90 degrees or 180 degrees and then hang the tray on the steering wheel tray. The portable car tray can be mounted to the steering. This portable car tray can be used for food or as a notebook support or desk. It is ideal for car travel, computer, business, office, workstations, and leisure use, and is very suitable for traveling with their car, especially families with children. Notes: if you found it slanted when hooking on the steering wheel tray, please turn the steering wheel 90 degrees or 180 degrees, and then hang the tray on the steering wheel tray. Easy. This portable car tray is easy to mount.